Alright guys, so here we have the Google Pixel Book. Big shout out to the Team Pixel crew, especially the hashtag Pixel Book crew as well. So I just want you guys to just see exactly what it came in. It came in this big box. First of all, I didn't even know that they were sending this out to me, so big shout out to them. I actually saw on my FedEx app that I had a package from New York, and I was definitely surprised when I went to go pick it up at my at the FedEx location. So big shout out to Team Pixel and big shout out to the Pixel Book crew as well. So let's just pop this baby open and see what it looks like, what came in the box. Now it did actually come with a card, and I did actually read it off to the guys at Team 100, but it did have like a welcome card that resembled this. I do have my card and everything on my Instagram, on my Twitter, if you guys want to see what that card said. But here's the actual Pixel Book itself. Oh, here it goes right here. Perfect. Alright, so here it goes. So we have a little user guide of how it works, and we have a hashtag Pixel Book card. It says that we're excited to share this exclusive pack made just for you. So if you guys want to pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. Big shout out to them. Hashtag Team Pixel or Pixel Book as well. So we have this little guide here, and I know you guys are going to ask me, how did I get it? I am a part of the Team Pixel family, so that's a good start. So we do have the Pixel Book pen, and we have the actual Pixel Books itself. So I'm going to get everything situated, so let's get right into the unboxing. Alright guys, so we are back with the actual Pixel Book. Now, this actually came out about a year and some change ago, because I was actually doing some research on this. I remember when it first dropped, I was interested in it, but the price point was definitely something that I didn't really want to deal with, because I had just bought a gaming laptop. But I'm definitely interested to see how it performs. This model right here is their top model with 512 gigabytes SSD as well, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and an i7 processor. I'm not sure. Okay, so it is a 7th gen i7 Intel Core processor. So this is basically probably one of the most powerful Chromebooks that you'll ever find. So I'm definitely interested to see how it performs and what I could actually get done on this. The Pixel Book pen itself is pretty dope as well. It should be competing with the Apple Pencil, so I'm definitely interested to see how that goes. And it works with the Google Assistant, so definitely pop this baby open and see what it looks like. It takes a AAA battery. No, that's a quadruple A battery. Okay, interested to see what that looks like. So you have the inside here. You have a little pamphlet. See what this looks like. Let's get started. Be safe. Safety and warranty. And we have the actual pen itself. So this is what the battery looks like. A quadruple A battery. That's the first time I've ever seen that before. And the pen, it does have a little flap here that you just pop open just like that. It's pretty light in the hand. You do have a little button on the side there, a soft little tip, and the plastic comes off just like that. Alright, so if you guys are actually thinking about having to pick one up, I will actually have the links down below. We do have it in several different configurations, and I do have the top model, and it does actually come in an i5 as well. So I'm definitely I can't wait to try this out. So here's the actual box itself. Google Assistant built in. Let's see if we can flip it in. Turns heads. Definitely does. Google right there. So it definitely looks really thin. I have watched a few videos before this unboxing, so I'm definitely interested to see what this looks like. So let's try to pop this out without breaking it from behind the camera. Alright, there you go. There's nothing on the inside of the box, and we have a little pamphlet here. More pamphlet stuff. Alright, let's get started. Get to know your Pixel Books. Safety and warranty. A Type-C to Type-C fast charger. I was reading that this thing is a really powerful power brick. Let's see what it's clocked in at. As far as watt wise, 20 volts, 1.2, 3A, so this thing is definitely going to be fast charging. For real. Okay, so here's the actual Pixelbook. It does have a little flap right there that you just have to pop off. Holy cow. Look how thin this is. This thing is almost like an iPad. For real. Let's see if there's anything on the bottom. Probably not, because you have everything right in front of you. So we could have hit something on the bottom. Maybe it's a treasure. Alright, so let's just put that to the side. And if there is anything else, I will definitely show it to you. Let's get back into focus here. Alright, so we're back into focus. So here's the little tab. Let's take this out. This is probably one of the most thinnest laptops I've ever seen. Check this out. So it does have the Pixel design to it as well. Has like a two-tone color, and you have the aluminum frame all the way around. And just how thin this is insane. So let's see how many ports is on here, because so you have one type C, and that's probably the charging port, and you have another one, and you have a headphone jack as well. This should be like the volume up and down maybe, and this one should be the power button, and we do have the Google logo right up there. So let's just turn this on. Now for this model, this one is priced at $1,649, I believe. So what I could see, you're able to flip this around and use it as a tablet, or if you want to have it in like a tablet stand mode, you could do that as well. There's a lot of different ways to configure this, and this is running Chrome OS. So let's see where the power button is, and let's just turn this baby on. Alright, let's just see who turns on. Or maybe this is the button. Where is the button? We got a nice little mouse pad here. It's almost like a glass type feel. No, it's aluminum. Alright guys, so I just plugged it in because I actually had to bring out the instruction manual. It says that you have to plug it in and then you turn it on. Where's that part at? It says you have to plug it in first, so that's how you do it. So you do have it in several different ways that you can do that. So if you guys want to pause that and read it for yourself, you definitely can. Laptop, tablet, tent mode, or the entertainment way, whatever you want to do it. And the part that I was showing about how to use it, you have to plug it in. Oh, here it goes right here. So here's how this works. So let's just pause this and read it for yourself. Plug your Pixelbook into charge, open your Pixelbook to turn it on, and follow instructions. Alright guys, so I will definitely take this for a go. I'll let you guys know. If you guys want to see an update video on this to see if it's worth the money, because the price is pretty steep, I'll definitely be honest with you with that. So we'll definitely see how it performs, especially with 16 gigabytes of RAM, 512 of storage. So I'm definitely interested to see what I could do. I want to see if I could do edits in there, if I could add programs, and it does actually run Android apps as well. So I'm gonna definitely try to do anything that has to do with high performance, especially when you have a 7th gen i7 processor in this thing. So if you guys like this video, please hit it up with a thumbs up and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of Google Pixelbook and Team Pixels in the building. So peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.